Hello everyone, welcome back to Harper's Imshik. Today we're going to be making protein-packed rice balls that are also called JUMEOKBAP in Korean. Instead of using sticky rice as a base, we're going to be using quinoa with chia seeds to help bind everything together. This is the perfect meal to take on the go or topped on a bed of greens for the perfect lunch salad. We'll be making two different types today, one being spicy mayo with tofu and the other mashed chickpeas with wasabi. Trust me, this is such a delicious protein-packed meal that will leave you super satisfied. So let's get started. Adding chia seeds to give the quinoa the stickiness you need to ball everything up. I prefer using quinoa because it has less carbohydrates and more protein than white rice. Dice the veggies as small as you can because it will bind better when the ingredients are smaller. I use an instant pot to cook a large batch of dried chickpeas and keep it in the freezer. Just microwave for 1 minute to defrost. It's super important to squeeze out all of the tofu water or else the quinoa won't bind together as well. This is the fun part. Usually I just crush up the seaweed in its original pack, but for this recipe we need exactly half for each flavor, so for you, I'll use a clear bag to be exact. Be very careful here. My husband and I love wasabi, so I'll be using 1.5 teaspoons, but start with half teaspoon and add more later. Once the seaweed is added, this is the time to taste the mixture and see if you want to add more wasabi. If you feel that you didn't squeeze out enough water or the mixture doesn't ball up well, then add more quinoa, a little bit of mayo, and sriracha. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Harper's Imchi. See you next time.